Stop scrolling. What if I told you that you could get genuine driving thrills, reliability, and head-turning looks for less than your rent? Forget brand new Econoboxes. Today, we are unlocking the secret to true budget performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This right here is the car model and year, e.g., Mazda Miata NB, Honda Prelude 5th Gen. And trust me, it's arguably the most fun you can have on four wheels without breaking the bank. Let's walk around the exterior. The design, despite being year, is surprisingly timeless. We see those iconic feature, e.g., pop-up headlights / sleek lines. Pay attention to common areas like mention common rust spots. A solid paint job on these used models tells you a lot about the previous owner. Stepping inside, it's certainly not a luxury sedan, but it's purpose-built. The seating position is perfect for spirited driving. You've got the essentials. Mention 2 to 3 features, e.g., decent AC, basic stereo. The biggest compromise here is often mention a flaw, e.g., the aging plastic trim, but for this price, who cares?
Now for the heart of the matter. Under the hood is the robust engine spec, e.g., 2.2L VTEC engine. It delivers a punchy HP number horsepower. But this car isn't just about straight line speed, it's about the handling. Let's hit the road and see what this thing can do. Let's be real about ownership. Parts for these are generally adjective, e.g., plentiful / easily available. However, if you're pushing it hard, expect to spend money on mention common wear items, e.g., tires and brakes. Fuel economy averages around MPG / liters per 100 kilometers number, which is decent for the performance you get. So, should you buy this car model? If you prioritize driving feel, affordability, and a strong community, the answer is a resounding yes. If you like this budget review, smash that like button, and tell me what cheap performance machine I should review next in the comments below. See you next time.